Alrighty, here's a quick video walkthrough of our 2017 Coachmen Freelander. This is a 26-foot model, 26RS to be exact, so it should be right around 27 feet. It's on the 350 Ford chassis with the V-10 Triton motor. I'm going to run through the exterior with it really quick, and then we'll jump inside and see what that has to offer. So your first compartment here, you got a little TV. Oh, there we go, a little TV. And an outdoor entertainment system with the speakers. Always nice. Right next to that, nice little storage compartment. Sorry, it's a little windy here. You may get some different sounds going on in this mic here. It does have your solar charging connection, so if you have any exterior panels, you can plug them in right there. Tires on here, they are the Michelin's, originals of course. 2016, a few years old. It does have a little pull-out table here, which is kind of cool. It's a very small compartment, but then the legs drop down. You can give yourself a little exterior table right under the awning. Here's the back end of her. It's a single slide out, one slide right there for the bed. And you got another rear storage compartment here, which is actually connected to the side that we're about to look at. 5,000-pound hitch, and of course a ladder up. It's a gear-driven slide, a little bit slower but very efficient with the slide topper up there. Under that you got your main storage, that nice heavy-duty plastic in here, and I love how they throw the vinyl too, makes it look really good. Got to reattach a wheel, a little hubcap, fuel fill right there, got a couple water fills there, TV connection. Power cords right behind that door. Right behind here we got your propane tank. I can't see how many gallons. It looks like 20.3 gallons. Back of the furnace. Another small storage right here. Generator. Cummins owning 4,000. Plenty to run everything in this RV. Try to keep my hands as still as possible. My gosh. All right, let's go jump inside. So no external step, but you can see it kind of angles down a little bit, so it's not too bad getting in. A couple batteries under that step. Shut that. Now right when you walk in, down at the bottom you got your battery disconnect, your awning control. I got to replace a dang battery for the smoke detector. Break box. Right above that, kind of got your control panel here with the generator, slide controls. 109.2 hours on the genset, very low. And here's just a quick peek at the interior. We'll go very in depth here, but kind of give you a good look at the floor plan. No slide up here in the main living area, but really a decent amount of room. That I can already tell that noise is going to be bugging me. All right, let's see. All right, 11,514 hours, my gosh, miles. You do have a entry door. Now the front, it's going to be very reminiscent of just a 350 van, big truck. Nothing too crazy, nothing much changed up here. Oh boy. You do have a backup camera. It's a Class C, so you got the big overhead bunk and the TV that swoops around, and the netting which you can actually see the TV. Little DVD player right there, and that is on an arm, so that will swing around, and this will lift up to give you a little bit more headroom. Now, let's look at a couple compartments. It's got one shade. It's not day and night shade. It's just kind of that same color throughout. Oh boy, that's bugging me already. A couple covers for the front. Nice, decent sized storage there. The couch is pretty interesting. It's a U shape or a J shape. You got this extra cushion here, which you can lift up, and you can push this in. There you go. And then that makes it like a J or you, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to have it set up as. This table right here is removable. Oh boy. And then on this side, you got a couch, and it's a jackknife couch, so you can lift it up and pull it out to make it a sleeper. Above the couch, got more storage, and that's a pass-through right there. More covers, it looks like. I like this kind of like glass look instead of just the regular panels on this side. All right, into the kitchen. So the kitchen, got a dual base sink there. Microwave, non-convection because you got the oven. A little small oven, but still better than nothing. 3-burner gas stove top. And there's microwave with storage right above that. Now, a decent amount of counter space. I mean, I gotta see if we have the covers for the sink. But if not, you can always get some that you can add on to the top of there, or get those nice plastic covers to give you a little bit more sink room. You do have an outlet here. And this is, and there's one right there. It says LEDs throughout. And storage right above. And then we got storage down below. Under the sink here. And then there's a couple additional ones. Small little guy here with a couple pull-outs. Good silverware drawer. Actually, very good use of the space for the size of the compartment. And then under here, I always call these the pots and pans drawer. I don't know how big you can put them in there, but you can fit a couple at least. And then, here's the back look. But before we get there, you got your thermostat right there, and across from that, you got your 2-door Dometic refrigerator. This is a 3-way fridge. Propane, electric, or why you directly plugged in. No storage under there. I'm sure they got either a water tank or some water lines, or just a whole lot of electrical stuff. Now moving on into the bedroom. One drawer right there. Right above you got your main wardrobe. I'm gonna break that smoke detector. Oh, don't shut. There we go. Here's your wardrobe. So not bad for the size. Not a full rear closet, but better than nothing. And then, oh, check it out. You got a couple more pullouts. Even more pantry space, or hey, a good amount of socks and underwear. Right above that, let's see. Okay, that'll be your main pantry right there. All right, so like I said, this is a single slide unit. Your slide is the bed. So that corner to that corner. And then the bed, it's one of those that flips over itself when the slide is in. So you do a little bit of that. This whole room kind of slides in on those black things and will come right here. So you still will have a walkway. You can still get there. Not the most usable when it is closed up though. Interesting. So storage above the bed, kind of hard to see. You got to hold them up, but it is a pass-through. You didn't see anything there, but you got these 3 compartments there, and those are all connected. And then in this corner, not much, but better than nothing. A little bit of storage, and you should be outlets around the bed somewhere. You got, oh, there we go, charging station outlets there with the furnace right below. TV, and then of course your bathroom. Bathroom is completely accessible when the coach slide is in, and it's an all-in-one. Right behind the toilet, you got a little bit of, I call it pantry, but medicine cabinet, drawer space. There is no medicine cabinet in here, so that's where you'll pretty much store everything. It is just a mirror with a vent inside, and there is an AC vent in here. Your sink, it is plastic sink. Now, I mean, it's gonna be a little tight when the door's shut. There still is room, but it is a little tight. Not too bad. It is usable. Your shower, so it looks like a 2x3 one-piece fiberglass. I'm 5'9". Is it good? It's about 4 or 5 inches on top of my head that you can still fit into. You will have to bend down to get wet a little bit, but hey, better than nothing. So there's your bathroom, and that's about it for the tour right here. Went through just about everything. If you have any questions, go ahead, comment down below. I'd love to help you out. Give you one more quick peek on the exterior here. There you go. Hope you guys have a great day.